Ready to completely change the way you plan your school year? Welcome to the ultimate Google Sheets teacher planner, the automated paperless command center designed to give you your time back. Right now, we're looking at your live teacher dashboard, a personalized daily outlook that automatically pulls your lessons, tasks, notes, and student birthdays for the day into one clean, glanceable screen. Say goodbye to repetitive typing. With the Smart Setup tab, you only enter your class list, school dates, and timetable once at the start of the year. Assign your subjects custom colors and watch the planner automatically customize every calendar, schedule, and tracker to match your aesthetic instantly. It beautifully accommodates standard weeks, rotating schedules, or week A/B cycles. On your lesson planning sheet, simply select a class from the drop-down. The planner's smart background logic instantly calculates and inputs the exact date, day, and period number of your next available class slot. Link multiple curriculum standards at once and paste hyperlinks that auto-format beautifully. Once you plan your lessons, your data automatically builds your weekly plan in your choice of rows or columns. Want to tweak a lesson? Just click Edit to jump straight to that row on the Lesson Planning tab. Need a hard copy for a substitute teacher or your physical binder? The custom printable views let you generate gorgeous, tailored pages in just a few clicks. You also get fully automated monthly, yearly, and long-range subject overviews alongside an interactive school calendar that tracks student birthdays and holidays automatically. Streamline your classroom administration, eliminate teacher burnout, and focus on what you do best. Get your copy from Colleen's Cosmic Collection today, and happy planning!